Something special for you guys. So if you guys didn't know, I currently attend Michigan State University.
Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little vibe, she been on my mind, soon as I get back.
Hey guys, it's JB here back with another video. Today I have something special for you guys. For those that didn't know, I currently attend Michigan State University. I currently am a computer engineering major, but I'll be a computer science major fairly soon. One of the courses I am enrolled in here at Michigan State University is called Understanding Media, taught by Professor Robbie, as he likes to go by. In this course, MI101, one of the assignments that we have to complete is a video essay, in which I have to create a 4 to 5 minute video in order to illustrate my understanding of a selected topic. A part of the video essay is to interview someone of a different nationality than you and ask them a series of questions related to an article that you selected to inform the audience of your video about. I have a lifelong friend that attends University of Michigan that I look at as a brother. His name is Jayon. We both went to the same high school as well. As you can see in the clips, Jayon and I are having a Facebook discussion via Facebook video chat. I asked him the following 5 questions. Do you use emoticons, emojis? If so, which are your go-to? Do you use the social network service such as Twitter? If so, how often? How do you use emojis and emoticons in your everyday life? How do you interpret emojis and emoticons when someone uses them while communicating with you? And finally, do you use the smiley face emoticon when communicating with others? Or the frowny face emoticon? If so, when do you use them? Jayon's responses to my 5 questions was how anyone else would have answered them and lines with how I would have responded myself. For question number 1, Jayon responded by saying, of course I use emojis and emoticons. Who doesn't? Question number 2, Jayon responded by saying, yeah, I use Twitter. I usually check what's going on in the world or whatnot. I usually do that twice a day. For question number 3, Jayon's response was, I use emoji and emoticons when I'm texting friends or whatnot. For question number 4, Jayon responded by saying, when someone sends me the emoji with the 3 fingers, that usually means okay or a 3-point shot in basketball for me. Lastly, for question 5, Jayon responded by saying, yeah, I use a smiley face emoji and frowny face emoji at times, especially when someone says something funny or when someone makes me mad. Hey JB, how did you come up with your interview questions for this video essay? I drew inspirations from the article Cross-Cultural Comparisons of Nonverbal Cues and Emoticons on Twitter, Big Data Analysis by Park, Beck, and Cha. The article helped inspire question number 1 because the article focused on exactly what the title states, Cross-Cultural Comparisons on Nonverbal Cues and Emoticons on Twitter. The article helped inspire question number 3 and also number 2 because the study focused on cross-cultural individuals' usage of emoticons on social network service and Twitter. The article helped inspire question number 4 and number 5 because the article studies the use of emoticons, common day emojis, on Twitter across many different countries, creating different interpretations and connotations in each. My own language, community, culture, and generation played a key role in my interview question selection process, and that typically individuals in my age group, 18 years or older, typically applies one or more emoticons/emojis at the end of their message to give the receiver of the message an idea of how they are feeling and what they're thinking about. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoy my video and see you next time.
I gave him the drill, they sucked it up, I got him on it. I bought a new paddock, I had the white, so I two-toned them. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning.